Welcome back to another installment of the CrawlSpaceRepair.com product video showcase. CrawlSpaceRepair.com is your trusted resource for all your crawlspace encapsulation products and knowledge. Today, we're talking water control systems. A water control system is made up of three major components: the water drainage system, the water collection system, and the water pumping system. Our InstaDry Sump Pump, or IDK, and our InstaDry Drainage System, or IDS, make up a complete water control system to manage any water problem in your crawl space. Let's take a look at our InstaDry Sump Pump Kit. Fun fact, the engineering, the tooling, the resins, every single component of this kit is made in the USA. Even the dye that molds the basin was made right here in America. This basin has been designed for easy portability, faster installation time, and exceptional water flow. Our basin design was created with slots instead of holes to move the water quickly and efficiently into the basin for evacuation. See this flange on the bottom of the basin? That's the anti-float plate, which is molded into the basin. This anti-float plate keeps the basin in the ground no matter how much water pressure there is. This basin is made in two identical halves. This allows it to fit into even the smallest of crawl space access holes. Our basin lid is a sealed radon quality lid. You'll find each penetration has a rubber grommet to seal out moisture and gases, as well as a soil gas mitigation port that helps with soil gas evacuation. Let's move on to water pumps. Depending on your water pumping needs, you have a choice of a Liberty or a Wayne 1/3 or 1/2 horsepower pump. The Liberty pump is made of polypropylene and powdered coated aluminum, weighs in at 11 pounds, is best suited for muddy or dirty water pumping. The Wayne 1/3 is made from coated steel with a cast iron bottom, weighs 22 pounds, and is best for pumping clear water. Both pump manufacturers offer a 3-year warranty on their pump. Now, to get the water out. The InstaDry Sump Pump Kit comes with a PVC evacuation pipe with a proper threaded end to fit both pump brands. At the top of the evacuation pipe is the check valve, which allows water, sand, mud, and some solids to flow in one direction out of your pump. When installing the InstaDry Sump Pump Kit, please refer to the product installation guide that is shipped with each kit. To complete your water control system, you'll need a drainage system. Check out our InstaDry Drainage System product video or call us today and we'll send you a free CrawlSpaceRepair.com product catalog complete with vapor barrier samples and everything else you need to get your project started.